Let's see how to hide apps in iPad 8th generation. In the first step, open Settings, then select Screen Time. Now pick Content and Privacy Restrictions. In the next step, turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, select Allowed Apps. Later, switch off the apps you want to disappear. In the next step, navigate back to Screen Time. Next, choose Content Restrictions. Now tap on Apps and pick an age rating to hide some apps. In the next step, go back to the home screen. After that, hold the app until menu options pop up. Later, press Remove App, then choose Remove from home screen. In the next step, launch App Library. After that, scroll to find the concealed app. Later, search for it when necessary. You are good to go.